advocacy, um, advocacy. 5. Figurative advocacy. Let the light and expose the shadows where corruption hides. Break the, break the chains that keep our nation tied to dishonesty. Plant the seeds of truth so corruption cannot grow. Raise our voice like a storm that whizzes away injustice. Be the mirror of the reflect integrity where others look away. 5. Literal advocacy. Promote transparent use of public funds by requiring acceptably reports for every government project. Encourage citizens to report corruption through secure and anonymous completing channels. Support strict financial or official province guilt and privilege or misuse of power. Provide integrity training for public servants of cities, honesty, and government service. Gen- Gender anti-corruption against the in- instigate this without political pressure. 5. Figurative campaign. Shine a bright light and reveal the hidden corners where corruption lurks. Break the walls, build the dishonesty, and let justice fellow freely. Raise a torch of truth to burn away the culture of greed. Let integrity be the silence that protects our nation from corruption. The weak and witless away the dust of this campaign. Campaign for transparent budgeting in all government officials of present picture of public funds. Promote well, well-based power protection programs and encourage citizens to report corruption acts safely. Support community education drives that teach people how corrupt harms security. Advocate the strict imply, implementation of anti-corruption laws and immediately mitigation of fees. Encourage digitalizing government transactions to reduce face-to-face braille and fees.
Okay.